If you are also getting this error that says cannot be loaded because running scripts is disabled on the system, here in front of cannot be loaded you can have anything. The solution is very simple. You just need to enter one command, and the command is Set-ExecutionPolicy RemoteSigned scope CurrentUser, and hit enter. So what this means is, if the script that is being run is downloaded from some source, then it will be disallowed. But if you have your own script that you created, then it will run. And now you try to run whatever you were running and it will run successfully. But if still it did not run, what you can do is, instead of remote signed, you can just enter unrestricted and hit enter. Now this means that any script will run without any checks, and now you just do what you were doing and your script shall run successfully. But if you're still getting an error and you're not able to execute this command or this command itself because of a permission issue, what you can do is just press your Windows key and type PowerShell and run PowerShell as administrator, and then you will be able to run this command and this command. Once this is done, you can come back to your VS Code, close the current PowerShell session, open it again, and now just run whatever you were running which gave you that error, and that error will be fixed. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.